What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. By the title, I know how much you guys love fit content, so we're doing some little bits of work on the GD3 Honda Fit here. And in the last video, we went ahead and installed these OEM style aftermarket but OEM fitment fog lights into the front, and we also threw in some new headlight bulbs as well. I still think these look super cool. I love it. The yellow is so vivid still with that tint and the yellow bulbs. I love this. It's what the goal for the front end of the car is supposed to be. Just needs a lot of help when it comes to the paint work and everything. Now that the weather is starting to cool off, I'm gonna start being able to tackle the body work. And if you guys have seen my channel for a while, I'm not a body guy, I'm not a painter, but part of the reason why I got this car, outside of the fact that it was cheap, was that I wanted to learn how to do some stuff like that. So I've already did a little test spot of a dent, but it has many, so don't worry, we're gonna do more. So like right here, there was a dent here, and I already did like some Bondo and sanding and everything. And honestly, pretty surprised at how smooth it is. Like you can kind of feel an edge there, really no edge there on the bottom. And the dent that was there is pretty much gone. So I'm gonna just take this and kind of apply it to the rest of the car. But obviously this video isn't about that. I'm just giving you guys like a quick little update on next steps for the car. I guess I'll give you a quick update on the NC. We've got a new exhaust pipe with a welded in bung. Thank you, Cameron, for the emissions purposes to pass inspection, which is annoying, but at least I have a solution, so I'll have to just swap this one in once a year and be on my way. But otherwise, this car, right now, we're planning on taking it to WECFest, Texas. That event is coming up in December, and the car got approved for entry, which I guess I'm kind of surprised by, but also happy about. I didn't think it would, I don't know, you never kind of think it would get accepted, but I don't know. I've been to WECFest before a long time ago with a different car, and it'll be cool to go back and have something better than what I went there with the first time. So that is in Dallas. If you guys are local to DFW, check out WECFest, and maybe I'll see you guys out there if you want to go see the car in person and check out some other arguably way cooler things. So, box from Japan with GD3 Fit parts. We've got a Cusco underbody brace. So this goes in the front subframe, and yeah, it's pretty beat up, but it is genuine Cusco. I'm not gonna paint it or anything like that. Normally I would go through the effort to like sand it down and paint this, but I think it's just gonna get so ripped up anyways that I'm not even gonna worry about it, and you won't see it. So we've got more underbody bracing for the car. Basically it attaches to a control arm point here and the other control arm point here, and connects one more point of contact between the subframe right underneath the engine. And I think this should fit. I might have to hammer or bend the subframe down just a little bit right up in here to get it to fit, and right over here as well. But otherwise, this should be simple. And it's so stupid how I always say that. And sometimes it's true. Sometimes it is simple. Other times it's not. Like the fog lights, they were simple, surprisingly simple. But I think this, I don't know, we'll see. I got a feeling I'm gonna get everything off and realize that I'm gonna have to make some modifications. And yeah, but you know this channel, we're gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a little tripod, and we're just gonna get right into this. Alrighty, the Cusco subframe brace bar is installed on the GD3 Fit. It did end up being a little annoying to install because each side had to be exactly aligned to get those bolts all the way in on the control arms, but everything is sitting flush. It is tightened down, and it did make contact with the subframe right here and back here, not where I bent it in the front, but in the back. So it does work. It's a really tight fit, and it wasn't hard. It was just kind of annoying, but it's in, looking good. So now we've got our body bracing underneath now as well as that rear sway bar back there. Not really much you can do in the center because of the gas tank and all that, but you guys know how I like my body bracing. And this little car is just, it's ready for autocross. It needs to go to the track. We've done the coilovers, we've done the transmission fix, so much stuff since we got the car in March. It hasn't even been a year yet, which is kind of wild to think about. Outside of the body work, mechanically everything is sound, valve adjustment, you know, new spark plugs, new coil, like all that stuff. It's ready to go, and now is the time we just need to go. But I wanted to throw this little part in because I found it on the auction sites and it was like $25, $30 or something like that. And I was like, okay, well, I'll pick it up. It looks interesting. So, you know, worth it, who knows? I doubt it's gonna make that big of a difference. This was more of just a parts install kind of thing because I love car parts and I love installing car parts. Whether or not they do anything or not, it's fun for me. So it's fun to get out and enjoy a nicer day and install this. And yeah, now we just need to get out there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are a GTI or Miata guy, thanks for watching the Fit videos. I appreciate all of you guys who just are interested in the cars and interested in my life of automotive stuff. But if you're a GD3 or Honda Fit guy, hope you were inspired or learned something new. Go down below and leave a comment. Tell me if you have this on your car, if it does anything, or if you have other body bracing, chassis bracing recommendations. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are new, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.